Hi, everybody, and welcome to the February 10th issue of the Tucson Mortgage Weekly. I'm Todd Abelson. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm going to keep it fairly short and sweet. Okay, first of all, what happened last week? Well, last Friday, the first Friday of the month, as always, the employment report came out, and man, pew, it was a stinker. Okay, they were expecting 175,000 new jobs. Only 113 were actually created. And also there were some very minor revisions upwards to prior months. So the bottom line is that after having a couple of pretty strong months of employment, we got a really weak month. Now they're blaming, is it the weather, blah, blah, blah. But the bottom line is it was a pretty weak number, which got us some improvement in rates again. And you saw the damage that's been going on in the stock market. Today, in this week, really very light reporting coming out in economic data. The only thing that the bond market is looking forward to, in fact, the entire market is looking forward to, is Janet Yellen, now the Federal Reserve President, is going to be having her first testimony to Congress later this week. So everybody's going to be listening for what she's going to say. Hopefully she'll be good and she won't say anything bad. Okay. And I hope if the bad she says, it's good bad, because then good bad moves the market different than bad bad. Okay. So ultimately, what's going to be happening? Well, take a look and keep an eye open on what's going on in the stock market, because as stocks continue to ramble downward, we could see some further improvement in rates, although we've gotten some great improvements already. So this is a fabulous time to lock in. We're definitely expecting increase over the year. So lock on the dips like we have right now. This is a really great time. The other thing to keep an eye in is Sochi, what's going on with the Olympics. As long as it's just athletics and Olympics, it's great. If there's any shenanigans there, world events or terrorism, the markets could react pretty quickly. Anyway, that's the news. Don't forget to check out the blog site, okay? TucsonMortgages.com. We put new information in there during the day. We put in lots of good reports and whatnot. So if you're checking this out on YouTube, make sure you go to the website, TucsonMortgages.com. It should be right up over here, www.TucsonMortgages.com. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Have a healthy and a prosperous week. Bye-bye.